So last night Fremont Street was super fun, but we are getting ready now to head out to the Las Vegas Speedway and go check out some drifting. But then are going out there, I just load up the helmet for some ride-alongs. Ben got his water bottle, and we're stoked. So I guess before we head up to the Speedway, we're going to meet up with our friend Paulo that I met last time I was out here.
Paco.
He
Paco, crazy tacos and tortas.
He gave me a ride home in his Lexus the last time I was here, and I guess he's done some work to it since then, because it was pretty stock last time. But now it's on bags and some wheels like here, so.
It looks good, dude.
Dude, I'm stoked to see it. It'll be sick. And then we're all gonna meet up some other people, and we're gonna caravan from there. So this should be pretty sweet! Paul showed up in his 240SX, and I wasn't expecting this. It was full Type X with the SR22. And last time I was here, it was only getting ready. Oh, so sick. So we're gonna go follow them and head out to the Speedway. But man, these cars are looking sick.
Stoked for you, dude. This thing's coming together. Everyone always gives you shit, but I know it's gonna be dope when you
It's like painted.
finish it. You're just picky. You got your choice, which is important. Hey, is that Austin and I were kind of curious? That's static.
It's static.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just asked him.
Oh, you did.
Oh, my bad.
And we just got to the track not so long ago.
It's time to party.
And we're just checking stuff out.
We just got to the Speedway. I couldn't pass tech, so I'm kind of sad.
You what?
I didn't pass tech, so I'm kind of sad.
Why not?
Battery hold down?
They'll get you.
Dang, that was it? Did you?
No.
You can just take like, I bet you if someone had a bungee, like
No, bungees won't work. It has to be a ratchet strap.
has to?
It's like one of the rules. It can't be a bungee. It has to be a ratchet
Wait,
strap.
where's your battery at? In your
Because it's such a common problem that Vegas people seem to just never want to put their stuff together.
This is kind of cool.
Kiki on the seat. Isn't that cool?
That's kind of tight.
It's a sick little touch.
Shut the outside door.
Yeah.
So,
Well, shall we go see what there is to see? Oh, that was sick.
yo, I know that car.
It's danger zone to hang out with Paulo too, because he knows everybody. So if you hang out with him, you're just gonna start meeting like 900 people, and names will just start flying.
Sick.
You know about Austi JV?
Yeah.
How you making the channel, bro?
Hey,
I don't
you're
know
on
if
the
you were-
channel.
I don't know if you were taking rollers or
Oh, I was.
Yeah, we were.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those will be on
And I
there.
did a little ricer flyby.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Rip Jake.
Heck yeah, super rip Jake.
I'm so happy the car runs really well though. Yeah.
Dude, this thing sounds great.
It does, yeah.
Going down the road.
Saw you tore it apart. Yeah. It was off a tooth on timing. The whole time. What the fuck, really? Yeah, the intake was off by 1 tooth.
So we're coming up on Zach's car from Night Thrill. His hatch is just too hot. So we're gonna check it out real quick. And he also does a lot of filming and just has the craziest rigs.
Look at this, dude. Wise Fab.
Oh man.
Blitz. Wise Fab.
That I made these wheels, bro.
Dang, you made those?
Yeah, I had those for real.
Man, we hooked the same merch sticker.
Dude, I love how low this thing is.
It's ridiculous. Besides, he's driven it to California and back like this. Dude, Zach's the freaking man.
This is crazy. It's sick.
It looks so good.
Yeah. I love the looks of this thing. Dude, I love the street sweeper gang on the mirror. I was like obsessed with street sweeper like way back.
Hear that B36 full of bells.
Woo! That car is pretty sick too.
We're at the end!
Huh?
We're at the end!
Yeah, dog, they wouldn't let me pass tag.
Oh, you're gonna try?
I was. I had no.
Oh, dang. That's cool.
You could probably get a ride along with Forrest.
This car is sick. I need a double din. 10 would
really
die.
Like executed the clean street look with the bolt-in.
The bolt-in is what's up. Yes.
The bolt-in and like the reclinable buckets. It's got well-done door bars so he can still tan them.
Yeah, that's sick, dude.
He had to bow these, I think, a lot. But I don't know if that also got damaged when this happened. Which was Tamada. He's a good driver though, and his car's sick.
Just shows that he goes hard. Yeah, this car is dope. Yo, this car is sick. Some old R31 four-door. Super tight.
I'm just like, what?
I know, dude.
What?
I'm just stoked over it. At first I thought it was like a Laurel, yeah.
The coolest part is that there's no like, it's fucking become one giant window. There's no center
Chop
pillar.
that roof and just have like an R31 skyline.
Right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Too sick, dude. Dude, I feel like Forrest would be like a drift daddy for some reason. And he would just hook you up with whatever you need. Yo, you need a strap down, here you go.
Oh, you knew? Oh, yeah. You gotta go. I probably would be, honestly. Probably homies with, like, Garrett, too, from Getting Nuts. Or you could just go ask him if they have a tie down.
Dude, this RX-8, though.
Forrest drove it back, like a year ago before it was all painted. It's a pretty quick car. It's like a big turbo RB25, I think.
It looks pretty sick.
I can't really remember, but it's pretty cool.
It's Abu approved. Woo.
I like these overs.
Yeah, the overs is tight.
Oh, it's JC. It had a RB in it when I saw it last, so that's new. I think he was building like a SC300 though. That he sold this stuff for and put the motor in here. I'm guessing, I don't really know, I can't remember, but yeah, looks good. Hey, we got my steering wheel, dude.
Yo, it's car modified.
It's car modified.
Can I get tagged? Can I get tagged?
I'm getting out of your vehicle now.
Did you see the car modified?
Take this.
Zinky?
This car modified?
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta check out this car modified one in Zinky because got the hat, got the kit. Gotta just check out another car modified car. And it looks so good too. Woo! Look at this. Oh. This is good.
Ooh.
Gosh dang. He didn't put any of the badges in his car. They give you little badges here to put right here and then one on the front bumper as well. He didn't put that in. See? It's a little square. They give you a little badge to put right there, but he didn't put it on. I want to make my Zinky a car modified now. That looks so good. So simple. He left the stock body. Oh, just too good.
Yeah, that car looks so amazing.
Right? I love the look of car modify.
Keep drifting fun or whatever.
Dude, I need to do that. Oh, and to explain things, we're not driving today just because, you know, life works out different, but that's okay. We're having fun. We're hanging out with Paulo. He's getting his car in tech right now. So, yeah, it'll be fun to watch him drift and get some ride-alongs with him.
Can I give you a
Dude, he's cleaning off his spots to put on a Reaper sticker. How cool is that?
You'll learn that.
It was one of our last Reaper stickers
Hey,
too.
will you please hold this down? Please, please.
Got you.
Hey. There's not a lot of sticker real estate though, so it's okay. It's just little lines.
There you go, clean with a beer. Going
When I
this
drive home, I
extra
can
mile.
just smell like fucking. Were you drinking? No, I was just putting stickers on my car.
Yeah, that's looking nice and clean.
Nice and fucking dirty. Well, that's about as good as you're gonna get,
That's
probably.
beautiful.
Okay. Right here?
Should we get that shit squared up?
Yeah,
Bob?
get squared
Is that
up.
squared?
Yeah, it looks pretty square.
Yeah.
Woof! That freshie. Look at that fresh boy.
Yeah, that's hot.
Shazam!
Beautiful.
There you go.
That's good. Meant to be.
My favorite thing about it is it's the first sticker on that window.
Yeah, that's sick.
No shit, I just noticed.
Christened it.
Like,
Fuck, I'm a honer.
go need you.
How's it going?
You see my fender? No, the other fender.
The other fender. Oh man. He unfolded his fender and chewed them tears.
And I ran over my lip.
And you ran over your lip. But it's type X, right? So it's poly, so you good?
No, that was the aftermarket one, dude.
Oh, I thought you had a real one.
Fuck, that's $1,000. You got me fucked up.
Yeah, I thought you had one.
Was that a dorky dory?
That's like
Ah, broken lip. How do you feel right now?
I just want this fender to like be flat again.
Are you going back out?
Debate. That's up for debate.
Are you pissed right now?
Low key, yes and no.
Are you still buying my D-Max hood?
Once I have money.
Yeah, exactly. 20 questions. Go, go, go!
We have a hammer, we can fix it.
Do we have a hammer?
Turn that wheel to the right. I
no, to the right.
To the right.
Yeah, so last stop.
My other right.
I'm just gonna roll these fenders when I have time. I don't think I'm gonna drive anymore.
Dude, fucking keep driving. Take the fenders off. Do you have a hammer?
No.
Conrad might.
I don't want. It's right. What time is it?
3?
Like 3:30. 3. Oh, 3:08, yeah.
It ends at 5, I thought.
4:30. I'm not even tripping. Dude, I had fun already.
Dude, you were like fucking like, I don't even know. You were just
Driving.
high on life at that point.
I was just driving.
You're like
and
fucking twitching and shit like a goddamn crackhead. Like, dude, I gotta go.
Really?
Yeah. When you were doing the fucking e-brake, you're like,
Yeah.
goddamn father.
I think that's probably how I drive in general. Just always play with the e-brake button.
No, when you were putting the little like boot in, you're just like,
Putting the what?
the boot for the fucking e-brake.
Oh, yeah, no, I had some fucking fun with that. I'm so happy. That was fun though. Fuck it.
Dude.
Let's go back.
Well, yeah, kind of fixed. We're gonna call it done for the night because this doesn't want to ruin his fender more. Ooh, look at this thing.
Don't hit me, man. Where you going? Never read once.
So we're about to put another sticker on Paulo's car. Same spot.
Good.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah.
It's fucking Caesar's IG.
Ain't that a
It doesn't even
beauty?
say I follow you.
Cause I fucking drove the shit out of this.
I like the like color of his bay too.
Yeah.
It almost looks like champagne-y.
It's also almost like.
Yeah, it's like a silver champagne.